Okay. I'm gonna let you guys get logged into Gaggle. Some of you guys may have already done that, but I want to make sure I teach you guys how to get logged in so that you can log in correctly and so that you don't have any issues. Typically, the best thing to use is not Internet Explorer. Firefox and Google Chrome actually tends to do a lot better with Gaggle, just FYI. So I'm going to use Internet Explorer because that's what I've got on my new computer. But I'm going to download Firefox so that I can do that. Okay, the website is just www.gaggle.net. And if I were you guys on your computer, I'd just make you a shortcut to onto your desktop. If you don't know how to do that, all you have to do is just, if you'll right click, you can copy the address. And then if you will go back to your desktop, you can just right click again and hit new and go to shortcut. And then you can just type it in, or right click and paste it in here, hit next, and it will make it for you. So I've already done that. Whenever you're done, it should look like this right here. And that way you'll have a shortcut to get quickly to the website. Okay, so this is the kind of the initial screen that you'll see. If when you get to this, all you have to do is go up here to log in. And this is what it will look like. Now for you guys, it probably will just say gaggle.net. But that is not your username and email. Your email is at first name, period, last name, at cooper.gaggle.net. So if all it says back here is just gaggle.net, you need to click, let me go see if I can go back. You'll need to click where it says click here if your email ends in something different. And then you'll have to type in your whole address. And once you've done this a couple times, your computer will remember, and then it will look like mine where it says at cooper.gaggle.net. But if it just says gaggle.net, then you need to click here, and then it will make you put in your full email address. So everybody's email address should be your first name, period, last name, and then at cooper.gaggle, net. And then whatever your password is. For you guys, if you're logging in for the first time, then your password is just health. And it should force you to make a new password whenever you get logged in. Now, for those of you guys who are logging in for the first time, it's going to make you do a cyber safety course. It's going to require that you do that. And so, anyway, so I want you guys just pause the video and go ahead and listen and answer those questions. And take this seriously, because this is this class is, for the most part, is held online. And so those are things you guys need to be aware of, things that you guys need to take into account. And anyway, so do that. So just pause the video and go ahead and get logged in. If there's something wrong with your login, maybe your name is misspelled, please just email me and I can fix it. If you have forgotten, you've changed your password and you've forgotten it, go ahead and email me. Just make sure if it's something urgent that you email me at my regular school email, like I said initially in the introductory video. Because I may not check Gaggle every day since I'm only working it a couple days a week anyway. So make sure that you guys do that. One other thing that I wanted to show you guys on here is once you do get logged in, once you do get logged in, you can, this is actually a new interface. It just began at the end of the summer. And so Some of you guys may want to use the old one. If you do that, you can go over here to this arrow on the right hand side, go to open previous interface, and if you'd rather, you can look at Gaggle from this standpoint, which I still use it here just because that's what I've been using for the last 4 years. It doesn't matter to me what you do. You may think the other one is easier, whatever works. But that is how you log into Gaggle. Just make sure you remember that it's gaggle.net and that your email is cooper.gaggle.net if you get stuck at that first screen. Okay, so I'm going to let everybody get logged in, get your passwords done, and get all that figured out, and then we will start again.